Add cornstarch to your conditioner, and your hair will become aligned, silky, and shiny. Want to know how? Grab a saucepan and add 400 milliliters of water. It can be room temperature water. This recipe is out of this world. Your hair will completely change. After adding the water, we will add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to the water. If you have a lot of problems with frizzy hair that doesn't fully release, this recipe will help you a lot. Place it on medium or low heat and stir constantly. Cornstarch is perfect. One of the benefits of cornstarch for hair is that it reduces frizz. The reason is simple. Cornstarch is rich in lactic acid, which renews hair fibers. So, cornstarch can moisturize the hair with such ease, but only when combined with other ingredients. And it's excellent for preventing frizz and straightening, and it gives a lot of shine. It surprisingly accelerates hair growth, and it can nourish every strand of your head. Very well, everyone, do this at home. Surely you will love it. Your hair will never be the same after this trick. I did it on my hair and loved it. And folks, mix well until it thickens. This way, it will be like a cream, a little cornstarch cream. This will make all the difference in your hair. Transfer this cornstarch mixture to another container. And we're going to add a few more ingredients. And to maximize this tip, once you've mixed everything, take a hair mask of your choice and add 2 full tablespoons. You will add the hair mask according to the length and size of your hair. If you have long hair, increase the amount. Then, add a full tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of coconut oil, and mix everything very well. The sugar in the mixture is wonderful. It will exfoliate your scalp and give your hair magnificent lightness. This product alone already helps seal the cuticles and deeply moisturize the hair, which can give the impression of softer hair. Sugar is a great ally for your hair. It will help bring shine and softness. It is ideal for recovering dry and brittle hair. You will have a new, shinier, and healthier hair. Make it at home and you will surely love it. Once you have mixed our tip well, you can apply it to your hair. Separate strand by strand and apply this product. It looks wonderful. And you can leave it on for up to 25 minutes with a cap on your head to further improve the amazing results. And that's it, folks. Share it with your family and friends. They will surely love it. And tell me where you are watching me from, so I can send a special hug. And I'll leave it here. Health. Stay with God. And see you in the next video.